discuss a small example, that is in a CE germanium transistor, okay. Now the bias is provided, by self bias, that is with a emitter resistance Re is equal to, then emitter resistor Re is equal to 2 kilo ohm, R1 is equal to 56 kilo ohm, R2 is equal to 20 kilo ohm, VCC is equal to 16 volts, RC is equal to 3 kilo ohm, alpha is equal to 0.985. First, determine operating point, and second one is stability factor. This is a given question. Okay, in the problem, this is a problem example. You can take what he has given. VCC given, VCC 16 volts, and RC given, that is 3 kilo ohm, alpha given 0.985, next RE given, RE how much? RE he has given as 2 kilo ohms. Again RE is 2 kilo ohms. Next R1 56 kilo ohm, R2 20 kilo ohm. Now for a analysis, you just see here, to get the value, to get this circuit, we need V threshold, VB and RB values we have to know. RC and RE already has given. Now for this, what is the formula for VThevenin? Okay students, now for the formula for VThevenin or VB is equal to VCC into R2 by R1 plus R2. What is the value of VCC? VCC has given in the problem 16 into R2. R2 how much? 20 into 10 power 3 by total R1 R2. 56 plus 20, it is a 76 into 10 power 3. 10 power 3 will get cancelled. You will get 16 into 20. Okay, 16 to 32. 320 divided by 76. 320 divided by 76. Approximately how much we are going to get? This value is 4.21. What is the value? You are getting the value, that is 4.2 volts. The value of VB is 4.21 volts. Similarly RB. What is the RB value? RB is R1 parallel to R2. R1 how much? 56. 56 parallel to 20 kilo ohms. Is it clear? Now what you are getting? 56 into 10 power 3 into 20 into 10 power 3 by 76 into 10 power 3. Approximately what is the value? You will get the value of RB is 14.73 kilo ohm. 14.73 kilo ohm, that is the value of RB value. Is it clear? Now you will get the circuit diagram is, this value is how much? This value is previously we have found it, that is 4 point this value VB 4.21 volts. RB value is 14.73 kilo ohm connected to the RE. What is the value of RE? This is VCC, he has given 16 volts. RC value how much? 3 kilo ohm, and RE value 2 kilo ohm. This is the equation. To find out the stability factor, we have to find the IB value and all those values. Okay, this is the equation. Now from this equation we will find out the value of IC,
because IC is equal to beta into IB. First, initially if you find the value of IC, then automatically we will find out the
beta value. Now here it is very clear. Yes, what is the value of beta? Beta is equal to, from the alpha beta gamma relationship, beta is equal to alpha by 1 minus alpha. Beta is equal to alpha by 1 minus alpha. Alpha is equal to beta by 1 plus beta. Gamma is equal to 1 plus beta, or 1 by 1 minus alpha. That is a relationship from we have studied in the previous lecture. Now what is the value of alpha? He has given in the problem, that is
0.985 by 1 minus 0.985. Now this value is
like a 66. The value of beta is 66. Okay. Now from this expression we will write a VT. VT is equal to, that is first one, IB, the loop current is IB into RB plus VBE plus IE into RE. This is the loop equation. From this we will write as VT is equal to IB. In place of IB, from this relationship we will write IB as IC by beta. We will write IC by beta into RB plus VBE plus, here IE can be written as IB. IB means again IC by beta plus IC as IC and RE. Here the value, what values you don't know? You don't know the value of IC here. VT we know. VT is 4.21 volts with threshold voltage or VB voltage. This value is, we can assume as V Thevenin's voltage or VB voltage, base voltage. And RB we know, RB is 14.3. Now by substituting all these values, we will write this expression as V Thevenin's minus VBE we know 0.7, that is 4.21 volts minus 0.7. Germanium means 0.3. Germanium means VB voltage 0.3 is equal to, that is IC. Beta we know, beta is 66 into RB is 14.73 kilo ohm plus, here if you make the IC common, you will write as 1 by beta plus 1, means 1 plus beta by beta into RE. From here only the unknown term is RE, you know, RE is 2 kilo ohms. This RE is 2 into 10 power 3. Okay, by substituting all the values, you will get the value of IC current. We will get the value of IC current. That IC current value is You'll get the IC current. IC is equal to 1.73 milliamperes. 1.73 milliamperes. From this we know the beta value. IC is equal to beta into IB. Now we know beta is 66 into IB. IC we know 1 point, that is 1.73 milli by 66 is equal to IB. We will get the value of IB here. Okay, now we will get the IB value is very small. Okay, from this IC current is find stability factor to find out the operating point. IC is IC is obtained. Now we have to output current. VC should be obtained. To get the VCE, what is the logic? That is VCC is equal to ICRC plus VCE plus IERE. From this all the value, by substituting all the values, you will get the value of VCE. VCE is equal to VCC minus ICRC minus IERE, by substituting all the values, IB plus IC values in this. Okay, we will get the value of VCE. VCC is 16 volts minus IC. IC is like 1.73 milli into RC 3 kilo. Kilo will get cancelled, minus RE, that is combination of IE is equal to IB plus IC. Okay, this value you will get, and RE value is like a 2 kilo ohm, 2 into 10 power 3. Now this will get cancelled. By substituting this value, you will get the value of VC is approximately like you will get 7.35 volts. Because here everything is known. VCC is 16, IC is 1.73 into milli, and kilo will get cancelled, 1.73 into 3. And IE is a combination of IB plus IC. IB will get 1.73 into 10 power minus 3 by divided by 66, you will get the value of IB. And plus IC is 1.73. By substituting that, you will get the value of IE, that you can substitute here, into RE value is 2 kilo ohm. You will get the value. Okay, now operating point is finded, that is IC is known. IC is 1.73 milliampere, and VC is known. VC's value is 7.35 volts. Okay, operating point, these are the operating point. Okay, now the stability factor. The second one is a stability factor. What is the stability factor? 1 plus beta 1 plus RB by RE by 1 plus RB by RE plus beta. Okay, by substituting these values, we know RB, we know RB, we know RE. RB, what is the value of RB? 14.73. Okay, RE 3 kilo ohm, 2 kilo ohm. Okay, by beta 66. By substituting all these values, we will get the stability factor, that is this 1 plus B 66 means 67 into here 1 plus RB like 14.73 kilo by RE 2 kilo by 1 plus beta is 66 plus RB by RE 14.7 by 2 kilo will get cancelled. All these values you will get the approximately that 7.537. By substituting these values, you will get the stability factor is 7 points. You can see how the stability factor is reduced. Okay, by using this self bias or voltage divider bias or emitter bias circuit, the stability factor is minimized very more. That is why it is widely used. It is widely used. Okay students, Easy BTech guide for BTech and beyond. Thank you.